Ah, strawberries. These beautiful bright red fruits are not just tantalizing to the taste buds, but packed with numerous health benefits. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of strawberries and discover how they can improve both your body and mental health. Originating from Europe in the 18th century, strawberries have become a beloved fruit across the globe. But did you know they offer much more than just sweetness? Let's start with the physical benefits. Nutritional powerhouse. Strawberries are a low-calorie snack. A cup of halved strawberries has under 50 calories. But don't let that fool you, they're nutrient-dense. They're rich in vitamins like vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins. Boosts immune system. With just one serving, strawberries provide about half of your daily vitamin C requirement. This boosts your immune system, helping you fight off those pesky colds and infections. Heart health. The anthocyanins in strawberries not only give them their vibrant color, but also promote heart health by improving heart function and reducing bad cholesterol. Skin health. Want youthful glowing skin? Strawberries can help. The antioxidants and ellagic acid can prevent skin aging and protect against UV radiation. Now let's delve into how strawberries positively influence our mental health. Mood enhancer. Feeling blue? Grab some strawberries. The vitamin C in strawberries helps in the production of endorphins, our body's natural mood boosters. Reduces stress. Strawberries also have the ability to regulate blood sugar, which can reduce the risk of sugar crashes that often lead to mood swings and stress. Improves cognitive function. The rich antioxidants in strawberries prevent oxidative stress, which can negatively impact brain function. Regular consumption can reduce cognitive decline as we age. Before you rush to the grocery store, a few quick tips on selecting and storing your strawberries. When choosing, look for bright red strawberries with fresh green leaves. Avoid ones with white or green patches as they might not be fully ripe. Don't wash them until you're ready to eat, as moisture can promote mold. Store them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh for longer. And remember, while strawberries are fantastic on their own, they're also versatile. Blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, or make a refreshing dessert. From jams to tarts, there's no end to how strawberries can be enjoyed. The mighty strawberry is truly remarkable, not just for the flavor it brings to our plates, but for the multitude of benefits for our bodies and minds. So the next time you enjoy this delightful fruit, remember, you're also giving yourself a boost of health and happiness. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more juicy health facts. Until next time, stay berry-tastic.